A workshop on activities and schemes of Tribal Welfare Department was held at Jirania SDM office on Tuesday, organized by Jirania Sub-divisional Tribal Welfare Officer Arijit Debbarma. The workshop saw the presence of MDC Gita Debbarma and MDC Jiten Debbarma, including block BDOs, Panchayat members, village council representatives and numerous leaders.
খামসিং বাড়িতে রয়েছে স্মল বোট রয়েছে
The central core of the workshop was to review the progress of various centrally sponsored and state-run tribal welfare initiatives. Detailed presentations were made by Tribal Welfare Officer Arijit Debbarma regarding direct benefit transfers, education scholarships, livelihood generation projects, and infrastructure development earmark for indigenous hamlets. During the interactive sessions, MDC Gita Debbarma urged the block administrations and Panchayat leaders to work in close coordination. She outlined various developmental projects to be taken.
Subdivision ni bisingo ba ni bisingo je klainai block ni BDOs tongo tarpore ni BSC chairman dok tongo yo BC ni chairman dok tongo yo o SDM ni jurisdiction klainai ro Chini Panchayat Committee ni chairperson ko tongo koni Khairpur all Agartala gawa jaga peacefully bibhinno line department officer ko tongo borobai kok salaikya angkai angto ani elaka guri tongo ba kebang man elaka wo jata leki mane tongmani kuring tongmani aborong nang kisa mati saka jerokom ini brick soling rokering tongmani ADC headquarters songlokno undeveloped ngi tongmani dadapur BC rokni ko garo community hall kuring tongmaro tin charta BC milifano kaisa pano community hall kuri borok to social life na bini samajik kebang ma samung tong.
The workshop concluded with a collective resolution by the attending leaders and BDOs to conduct regular field inspections and block-level review meets to track the real-time implementation of these tribal welfare policies. Reported by Samir from Jirania, Chini, Khorang.